Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 36 Cottesloe Avenue in beautiful Noarlunga South. I've got a fantastic courtyard home for you. Quiet street, beautifully presented, just under 300 square metres and it's got great space inside. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? So there you have it. It's absolutely smashingly presented. It's beautiful inside and it's the perfect home for first home buyers or downsizers or even investors who want to be close to the beach. It's got a perfect courtyard and I just love the location in this beautiful quiet street. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.